In this video, we're going to review how a member can respond to a location request using the three-dot menu in their ticket dashboard. When you log into your Exactix account, click on the Tickets menu option located on the left menu bar, or the Go to Tickets dashboard text on the home screen to open your ticket dashboard. Within your ticket dashboard, you will find a secondary ticket menu that has 4 views. These 4 views are Service Area Tickets, Response Due, Past Due, and All Responses. Each view will list location requests, which are referred to as ticket item lines. Each ticket item line has a 3-dot menu, which allows you to quickly perform several actions with a location request, such as viewing a location request's ticket information. Please note that in this video, we will be using the Response Due view, which is the intended view when viewing and responding to location requests. This view shows all open tickets needing a response within 48 hours, but also has the option to show all open tickets that need a response within the next 10 days. The 3-dot menu allows you to quickly perform several actions on a location request, including adding a response. To begin, find a location request and click on the 3-dot menu, respective to the location request you would like to respond to. Click on the Add Response function within the 3-dot menu. A response window will appear over your dashboard. If you're responding for your service area, you will simply need to choose your response from the available options in the code field. You'll have the option to add a comment in the comment field before clicking the Save button at the bottom of the window. The comment field is a custom field that can be populated with a text of your choice. If you are responding per utility type for your service area, you will notice that each location request item line is assigned a utility type within your dashboard. When using the 3-dot menu for a location request item line, the response window will appear over your dashboard. However, there will be an auto-filled utility type field that has a utility type assigned. Choose your response from the available options in the code field, and you will have the option to add a comment in the comment field. Again, the comment field is a custom field that can be populated with a text of your choice. Click the Save button at the bottom of the window when you are done. If your secondary menu view doesn't refresh, click on the secondary menu view you are viewing to refresh the dashboard. Please note, if you are using the Response Due view, you will notice the location request is moved out of the dashboard because you have added a response. You can still find this location request in the Service Area Tickets and the All Responses views. If you need additional help, please visit myudigny.org and select Exactix Support for member facility operators. You can also contact your field representative or call member support at 1-800-309-8289, option 1. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to UDig NY on YouTube for more helpful videos.